everybody, this is Tanya with ScrappyChicks.com and your creative partner with Kiwi Lane. And today, excuse me, I am bringing you a project share. I will link the tutorial that I used to make these. What they are purses, and I thought they were so fun and such a great gift idea for the winter time. And they're made out of cardstock. So one sheet of 12 by 12, or this one was made out of one sheet of 8.5 by 11 cardstock. And so I will link both tutorials. They are not my tutorials. I discovered them on May Made It on YouTube. So these are her tutorials, but I wanted to show you how cute these really are, and they're so sweet. And I thought maybe we would put one together as far as the inside, stuffing the inside, but I thought these would make sweet winter gifts for a friend, and I thought they were so pretty, and I just wanted to share these with you. And how I put it together is I went to the Dollar Tree, and they have these nice sets. This is a shower set of lotion and body wash for $1. I thought that was really nice. So this is the fresh scent, and then there's cherry blossom. So I got 2 of those. Then they also have the hand sanitizer sets that 2 for $1. And this was another hand cream set that they had, cinnamon and cranberry. And then they have these little nail polishes that come 3 for $1. So I thought these would be cute little things to go in here, and I thought we would just put one together. So I did pick up crinkle paper. This is from Dollar General, but it was only $1. So I got red, and I also got white. Because the color scheme, the winter color scheme, is red, white, and blue that I went with. So either color would look fine. It would match. Plus, I'll also need red crinkle paper for my Valentine's Day ideas coming up. So I figured we would make one of these and put it, as far as putting it together. Also, I want to let you know, on the back of all of these is a gift card pocket, if you want to use it. And I'll show you. This is a Hobby Lobby gift card, but there's a pocket, so you can put a little gift card in the back. And since I'm doing a winter theme, I thought maybe a gift card to Panera Bread, because they have really, really delicious soup. If you know someone might have a Panera Bread near them and they enjoy Panera Bread, you could do that, because their soup is so good, especially the broccoli and cheese soup. So that one has a gift card holder. Again, I used Build-a-Snowman template sets for both of these. And then this has the gift card holder here. And I need to go back and glue the bottom so the gift card doesn't fall out. So I'll re-glue that, because it's not supposed to come out the bottom. So I just got to go back with my art glitter glue and reattach that. And then this one. And what I learned from this one, because the gift card sticks up. So if you do the 8.5 by 11, make your paper elongate your paper. Have it come out for your pocket, so your gift card can lay down like this. Mine's a little too long, I think. Oh, it did fit, but it just barely fit in there. So if you just elongate it just a little bit, so your gift card goes down like this instead of trying to stand up in there, it'll look a lot better. That way you won't see the gift card standing up over the edge. Okay, so I'm going to move 2 of these to the side, and I just figured we would pack one of these together, and maybe you can see what we're doing. So I thought this one was my favorite, I think. So sweet. I just love that Build-a-Snowman set. And I used Nuvo drops for the eyes, nose, and mouth. And then I just had these pearl drops. And these snowflakes were in my sequin mix stash. But I just thought these were so sweet. And I used Velcro. I did order some magnet magnetic closures from Amazon, but I really didn't like them. So I don't think I ordered the right thing. So I found the Velcro worked just as good. I'm going to try and fix my lighting here to brighten that up a little bit. Okay, so this is the inside. So I thought we might could take some of this white crinkle paper and stick it out down in there just to give it some feeling. And I'm sorry about the rattle on the camera. I know that aggravates some people and hurts their ears. So you don't need a lot, just a little. And then I think what we'll do is we'll open up this hand lotion here. And this comes in a 2-pack, which I think is a great value. So we'll put a cranberry hand lotion in. So we got that in there. And then I think we'll put, I had some of these pocket tissues. So I think that would be sweet if we stick that in there. And you'll have to lay your pocket tissue down in there, because it doesn't want to stand up. And I think also I'll put a hand sanitizer in there. Since we're dealing with the hands, I'll stick a hand sanitizer down in there. And I think that just makes a really sweet gift. And we could go as far as putting one of these cute little nail polishes. I love this green color. I think that's so pretty. So sticking a nail polish. So we have a hand lotion, Kleenex, the miniature nail polish in there, and a hand sanitizer. And then all this does is it just Velcros closed. And there you go. You have this sweet little winter purse. Super adorable, super fun. You can give this to a friend, a coworker, a shut-in, send it to someone in a nursing home. You could send it to family and friends. It's just so fun to make. And then don't forget, take your little gift card and stick your gift card in the back. So there we go. So I hope you like that. I hope you enjoy these. I will link both of the tutorials. I will also list all the Kiwi Lane templates that I use for these little purses here. I'm also going to be doing a Valentine's edition of the purses as well. So we'll probably stuff another one, but it'll have Valentine's. So that'll be upcoming. And again, these are two sizes, 12 by 12. These two were made with 12 by 12 sheet. This one was made with 8.5 by 11. A lot of fun. So adorable, and just a great gift for anyone. Thank you again for watching, and I appreciate your support. Have a great day. Bye-bye.